This week's stamping nail art collab theme is spring butterflies. This is my little buddy butterfly that I got from Butterfly World, and here are all the pictures of the ladies that participated in this collab. All their links to their videos will be in the description box below. They did such an amazing job. I love all their manicures. So let's start with mine. My base is this pretty white base from Zoya called Aspen. The stamping plates I am going to use is OS02, and I'm going to be using multiple images from this plate only. So the first image I'm starting with is the one with some roses. I'm going to do the reverse stamping technique, so I'm filling in with different colors. I'm filling it in with green first for the leaves, then I go in with yellow to fill in the rose, then another rose I fill it in pink, and then the last two roses will be in purple, and orange, sorry guys. And I will leave the names of these polishes in the description box below if you guys are interested in them. And the next image I'm using is the one of some like daisies with butterflies. Again, I go in and color it in. I'm using green for the leaves and stem, white for the petals, yellow for the center of the flowers, and then this little butterfly, I believe I colored it in blue. And the big butterfly in orange, and you will see that I accidentally dipped my brush in white and then I tried to mix it in with orange, but it did not work out. You could tell the two different colors. So here's how it's looking. So I let that dry for a minute. So now I stamp over the image of the roses because that one was already dried for more than a minute, and I suggest that you guys let it dry like for only a minute, no more than a minute, because then it will be hard to stick on the nail unless you have like a sticky base on your nails when it's time to stamp it over to your nails. So this is how both of them came out. So now I'm gonna do two more images. I'm doing this awesome image of a lady with a butterfly on her cheek. That is my favorite image from that plate. So I'm coloring in the butterfly in green because you know that's my favorite color, and then I also decided to give her green eyes. Then I color in with white polish the white part of our eyes. Then I gave her like a skin tone color, and I gave her red hair. I love red hair. So yeah, you will see it as I go along.
In my mind, you will always be the head and out.
I almost forgot about her lips. I gave her like a light pink lips.
Cause you will always be there. Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know.
The only bad thing about this image is that it's not etched all the way, so you cannot get all the details that much, but it still pick up some of it. So I've let it dry there for a minute, and then I'm using this image of a little birdie with some flowers around it. So again, I go in and do reverse stamping, color it in. I'm coloring in his like wing feather in white, and then the birdie itself will be blue because it reminds me of the birdie that I have. And then I go in and color the flowers in different colors as well.
Cause you will always be there. Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer.
Now it's time to transfer the images onto my nails, and I'm trying to get the best side of her face, and you will see that I let it dry too much, so it didn't stick all the way. So I'm here patting it down. So yeah, I suggest you guys have like a sticky base so it could transfer onto the nails, or unless you're doing like a water decal or a nail decal, sorry, it will work perfectly for you guys. So now for the last image, I'm using this image of some roses with some butterflies.
For you, I'll be enough for you. Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel, I know, you will always be the.
And at last minute, I used some of these butterfly stickers because I thought they were super cute. So I added it onto some of the nails to make it pop. And this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure you check out all the designs from the other ladies too. And I have my little friend here, the butterfly, join me in this collab. I finally set it free. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.